You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Why did you keep me waiting?
No, sir. My sister was already...
Come!
When the home breaks, sorrows and heartaches, everybody loses. When the home breaks, no joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks.
Hello, sweetie. Wait, please, can I talk to you, please?
What?
Please, I can't harm you. I don't harm people. Just come in. Just let me take a minute of your time, okay? Please don't be offended, please. I ain't seen pretty girls like you under this hot sun, okay?
Everybody loses when the home breaks, sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody.
So you are still denying the whole thing? Or maybe you think we are joking here?
No, sir. I'm not lying, sir. I swear, sir. I don't know anybody by the name Fred, sir. I don't know the person. I can swear by the Bible, sir.
Oh, you swear with the Bible?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you know the Bible and you still do a show work? Eh? You know the Bible and you took an armed robber as a friend? Eh? Who there? Come. Just show her how to say the truth.
Sorry, sir. I will talk, sir.
Are you ready to talk now?
Yes, sir. Hey, I don't know anybody like that, sir. I honestly don't know anybody like that. I swear, sir. I swear by my grandmother's grave. The only reason why I'm doing what I do is because of my sister who is blind. I'm the only person who is providing for us, and that's why I'm doing this. I swear, sir. I swear to God.
You swear?
Yes, sir.
Don't you have parents?
It's a long story, sir. But I honestly swear by my grandmother's grave, sir. And the only reason I'm doing what I do is because of my sister, and I'm sure she'll be looking for me by now. She's blind.
So, you mean you don't know this armed robber Fred? You don't know him?
No, sir. I don't know anybody like that, sir.
Come! Who told you that this girl is a friend to that armed robber?
Sir, it was her colleague, Tina. She told us.
Tina?
You know who is Tina?
Yes, sir. Tina and I had an argument, a quarrel some days ago. I'm sure that's why she cooked all of this up, sir.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I swear.
You're very sure? Officer.
Sir.
Elizabeth.
Hey.
Elizabeth.
Thank you, sir.
Let me tell you, you try to go and look for something better to do for your life.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hurry up.
you are the confined for police station? I was just coming to see you. Wait till me that I could have free him.
I beg you, ma, come out. She said,
I'm sorry, my battery was down. That's why you couldn't reach me. I'll come in 3 days, Chisom. Okay. Hold on.
Hello, Chisom. Don't worry, she'll call you back. How are you? Later. Bye-bye. What happened to you? Now you are the confined. See money now, I won't go take belly. You want job? What, uncle? Don't worry. Things don't change. Yeah? It's well.
What is it? Where is this? Open first. Hey! Dollars! Love it. Where did you get the dollar from?
Calm down, no shout. Calm down, let me explain. It's not a small thing though. When I left the police station, I was now trying to hustle money for your bailout. My sister. That was how I met this man with a fine car. He said he just got back from Malaysia. Took me to his hotel room. I stayed with him for a few hours. And I lied to him that I was staying with my parents. I want to get home, you know, with a promise to come back. That was how I started thinking of what to do.
Okay, let me talk to you later. Okay, it's like someone is on the door. Hello, is it? A minute.
It's lovely.
Love it.
Hello.
Wow. That's interesting. Baby. Wow. I thought you won't come again.
No, but I told you I'll come back.
Really? Just let me all alone there. What do you have?
Okay, I'm also starting for myself.
Really? Wow. This cheese bun. Can I have one?
You like cheese bun?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I love cheese.
I've got juice too.
Really?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. I can check somewhere there. At our fridge. I like this.
Why don't you take a sip?
No,
You like it. It's just juice.
I'm not tasty, okay? Just keep it.
Come on. Try it. You like it, trust me.
You really, I will like it. I'm taking it because of you, okay?
Yeah.
Let me take a sip. It tastes nice. I'll keep it for me, okay?
What if they are searching for you? Hope nobody saw you. What if they go to the hotel and start searching for you?
Well, I gave him a fake name and address. I was actually coming to seek for your bailout when you came back.
Babe!
I've been paying for this room since.
Babe!
Stop. We have to leave now. What next? We have to plan on what to do with our lives. No more cheaper shower work, no more dollars. Ika shower go back. What are you doing? Fast, patch!
Hello. Good day.
You're welcome.
My name is Ekenta. Please, where are the occupants of this house?
I know you. I know your name is Ekenta quite all right. Our supposed in-law. Well, there is no one inside. In fact, since Mama died, the house has been empty.
What about Mama's daughter and grandchildren?
Good morning. Good morning again. Now I know that you are just waking up from your slumber. The children you abandoned for a very long time. Oh, you have come to ask your children's keeper their whereabouts. You are just a wicked man. Very, very wicked. Well, as you can see, there is no one in the house. I don't know where they are. So, go and look for them. Idiot, stupid.
And they say not available. What's wrong with your phone?
Male, you like bugging your head unnecessarily. I'm above 18. Besides, I change SIM every week just for security reasons.
What kind of stupid security reasons? Why must you be changing your line every day? Huh? Don't you know that when I try your line and I don't get you, I get so worried?
Why must you worry about me? Am I a baby? I can take good care of myself. bugging your head.
Let's keep one line. You be changing line anyhow. What is it? Give me the new line you have.
090.
I should have told you this a long time ago. But I was waiting for the right time. And when you are in a good mood. If not for my mother. Yes, Mama. Mama, I'm 3 weeks pregnant. It's a Kenta's bone, but I want to abort it.
No, Mba. You don't have to do such a thing. It is a taboo. Harrow. Please, my daughter, keep it. Keep it, please. God will see you through.
Mama. Hey. Mama, after everything I've gone through from Ikenta's hand, how can you advise me to keep this pregnancy, Mama?
Keep it. You don't know what he or she will be tomorrow. Hey. Just keep it. Oh, keep it.
Mama.
God will see you through. Keep it. Please.
She saved your life.
So the man I've been calling father all these years is not my biological father. And I also have 2 blood sisters that I don't even know. Okay. Mama, where are they? Huh?
They're in the village.
Village? Their names?
Ifnaya and Chisom.
Ifnaya and Chisom. Wow, beautiful names. Mom, please, you need to do me this favor. I want to see them. Like, seriously, I want to see them.
We'll go.
When are we going to the village?
I say we'll go. I'll take you there.
Who is my biological father?
You see these people, I just catch up on Facebook to talk to you. And she's ready to. Who be that? Just take a miss on the door. Victor, now you. Nah, guy, now what for you? You go collect them one day. You go collect them. See as just the bag for the day. You go collect them more.
Victor, why your face one day like this? What happened? I be fuck up there. No tell us say fuck up there for the business.
My male just shocked me now. She bust my head.
Say what happened now?
My male call me say I get 2 blood sisters. Blood sisters who I know I never see. You know finish there. She still talk say my pale, no be my pale.
What?
Say my biological father na another man with day.
Wow. See. See, look at this guy to me, brother. Maybe why she don't want to tell you all this one. Be say you stay small, never mature. Understand? But now we be say you don't grow up, man. You got to chill up, man. Hi. You might be a man, man. Okay? As you enter, say, I've been things I work don't cast.
Relax. Let this thing no bother you too much, I beg. I go follow you, go see your sisters. So your sisters and our own sisters too. No forget.
Well, I don't understand. I don't understand. What did make my biological father blank me? The man paused me all these years.
Vico, see. Tell us on how we'll go hit money tomorrow. At least we go take good care of this your sister, so.
Victor, make this thing not drop you food for body. Cool down, huh? Don't tell you say we go follow you.
You know what? Can you just shut up? Shut up. In fact, you make more sense when you're not talking. Shut up.
Victor, this is my father's house. And that's your grandmother's grave over there.
The most important thing is I need to see Chisom and Ifunanya. I really need to see them.
Let's see if they are in the backyard. I know. In the house. Let's go. It's not as if I abandoned them. I didn't. How can a mother abandon her children? You won't understand. In fact, I don't have an excuse, honestly speaking. But please, do you have their number? Or contact? Or just anything we can use and trace where they are?
Ifunanya came here last week and took Chisom with her. According to what she told me, they are now in Abuja. She also told me that Chisom will be doing her eye surgery there in Abuja.
Thank you. Listen, you will do me one favor now and my God will bless you. I need their phone numbers and contact address. Hope you have it.
Yes.
Hi, thank you.
But my phone spoiled yesterday. Huh? Fell inside the bucket of water.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hi. Okay, we can fix your phone, okay? Your SIM, where is your SIM?
I don't know where it is. I've searched for it. Can't find it.
But we can search the house now. We can search everywhere.
No, I can't see it.
Hi.
You don't know where your phone, your SIM, no clue?
That's not how to do it now.
What's that now?
Hey!
Not this small movement, oh! That's all now. Okay. I beg. That's not nothing. I'll tell you. Sexy Maria. Hey, that love is fun, you know.
Hello? Lillian. How's everything? When? No, please, Lillian, don't. Please. I'll call you back, yeah? Thank you.
What did Lillian want?
She said your mother came looking for us with some boy she called her brother.
Then tell her to give your number or some number to her.
For what?
She's your mother. Did she call with her line?
What is going on here now? Seriously, like I care?
Ify, you need to call Lillian back. Tell her to give her our number. Besides, she might need something.
Why are you looking at me like that? What's happened now?
Call her.
I'm not calling her. Besides, this whole cheering is for the success of your operation. Let us dance, please.
But you still need to... I'm like, carry your nash, come on now. Oh, see wahala, oh. Go! Yes! I look at you. See wahala, oh. See me, oh. If Naya.
I don't let that go. See. This is your party, oh. Stand up and dance.
It's true. I see that.
Do another style.
say you want to buy another car?
Yes. The latest Honda. I must buy it.
Take it easy, my sister. When are we going to see Mama?
Chisom, I told you I'm expecting some goods. And I put in so much money into those goods. I can't leave it. You go, maybe I'll join you.
She may like to see you.
Chisom, I know she may like to see me. You go, I'll join you. Maybe on the 17th. I don't even know if she's okay.
Okay, then I will.
Alright.
I'm in the house already. I'm waiting. Chisom, why are you not holding a stick? Do you want to wound yourself? Can you just come in? Hey! Are you seeing me? Chisom, are you seeing me? Hey! Hey! What happened? Did you have a surgery or something? Sweetheart, I'm sorry. I know I've offended you and Ifunanya. Honestly speaking, I'm so sorry. Oh, just oh, please, I beg you. Biko.
It was a very difficult experience for Ifunanya and I. She suffered, Mama. She suffered a lot to see me through. But thank God that today I can see. And she's also doing very well in her business.
Oh God. I thank God Almighty for my daughter's lives. Thank God for Ifunanya. Thank God for sustaining my children. Ifunanya. I really need to see her. To beg for her forgiveness. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I should go with you to Abuja and see her. Or we should go together. I really need to see her. Your brother Victor, your kid brother, desperately want to meet both of you.
Really?
Yes.
Where is he?
He said he was going to Ghana for a business trip. But I don't know if he has gone.
Let me just have his number so I can call him.
That's better.
The number is not available.
Why?
I don't know. Let me try it again. It's still not available. Maybe he's not back yet. Just have your phone. I'll just save his number, yeah?
Okay, save it, Victor.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have the same network with Ghana, okay?
No, Mama, we don't. Let me save his number. I'll keep trying to call him. Lest I forget. If Naya says she'll be coming back on the 17th of this month.
17th?
Yes, we will. And in case you reach Victor before I do, just let him know that.
All of you be coming back on the 17th? Hi, Victor will be so happy. Hi. That'll be fine, 17th. Good, better for me. Jeez. But all these chairs.
If Naya did.
If Naya?
Yes, Mama, relax. I told you she's doing so well in her business.
Hey. If Naya, her business.
Mama, calm down. It's so nice to have you back.
I'm also very happy. She's so you can see.
Yes, Mama, I can see. Thank God. God has been so faithful to us.
Listen, I'm so happy, yeah? You know why? No. I'm meeting my sisters.
Hey, for real?
I swear down.
So, what is gonna happen now? Are we leaving immediately? This thing no be small thing, no. A big celebration with this. You don't understand?
But wait. Have you seen them or what?
No. Now check this out. I told you guys that I will meet my mom the moment I return from Ghana, yeah?
Yeah.
I met my mom. And she told me that they have arranged for me to meet my sisters on the 17th.
Hey, don't be smarting, no.
And it tells you,
don't be smarting.
I'm meeting my sisters.
I believe you.
You see that your villa, eh? We go follow you enter there, go cast everywhere, man.
I swear, if you don't follow me, go make a call.
Oh boy, time no day again. Waiting they keep this larger. Being think say we will not get another one.
No, are you okay? I'm talking about meeting my blood sisters. You're talking about Alaji. Alaji is a done deal. Not me plot out. You see that 2 mil? You don't drop and finish. I swear, if Alaji no pay that 2 mil, make a call.
He don't pay.
He don't pay.
He don't pay, my nigga.
Batman!
I believe you, man.
What's the fucking Batman? Bring more drinks, man. I'm meeting my sisters. So
oh boy, be fast. I believe you.
What is it? Are you okay?
Things is really happening these days.
Things are happening these days. What is it?
I just got a call now that if Nanya, my classmate in primary school, died in a car accident.
Which Ifna are you talking about?
If Nanya Ikenta.
Is it the one we met at the supermarket a few days ago that you told me the father threw away and all that?
Yes, you're right.
Ah, that pretty girl. Bad news. Oh, it's really bad news.
Oh, this life is terrible. I even remember what this girl went through in the village. This is a sad news.
Sad news indeed.
Oh.
Are you not taking anything?
Please.
Oh, come on, cheer up. Okay, cheer up. Don't worry. Okay? Things happen every day. Okay? No, take something.
Look at
Male! I see the hot, you don't ball it. Mama, we don't show. Male! Why you wear black and black? My fashion.
Are you back?
Good evening, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear.
Mama.
Welcome. Chisom. Chisom. Come and see your brother.
My sister.
Yes, Chisom. Wow.
Victor.
Has arrived in London safely. Really? She called me and asked of me. Hey! I've arrived though! I'm painting London red though! No. When she comes to London babe. I said, oh.
I just can't wait for her to get back. You know, she'll buy me jewelry,
certainly. She'll buy.
Perfume.
She'll buy.
I can't wait.
She'll buy. Did you lock the back door? Did you lock the back door? Oh my God! Oh goodness! Lena!
Why did you keep me waiting?
No, sir. My sister was already.
Lena! Come! Hey! Stand. Go get it.
Look at bros.
My brows! Victor, let's go! I want brows! Let's go! Look at brows! Let's go!
Things didn't work out the way we planned. I wish if Naya was here for us to ask for her forgiveness. Chisom, please forgive me. I wasn't a good mother to all of you. If I didn't use my last savings to save Ifunaya's life when your father smashed the bottle on her head, I wouldn't have been this handicapped. I'm so sorry. Jesus, please forgive me. Forgive your junior brother, please.
It's nobody's fault, Mama. Let's just accept it as one of the mysteries of life.
I need to see my father. Do you have his address?
I have his address. And the house he's living in is his permanent house. It's his house. I know he will still be there. I'll give it to you. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Chisom, please. Chisom, please. I'm deeply sorry. Please forgive me. I promise to live the rest of my life positively. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just be good. I'm sorry. Should I kneel for you?
No, Mama. No.
I'm sorry.
Nah, man, your legs are beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ah! I love that one.
You like it?
I love it.
I got it specially for you. Oh yeah. Eat.
How did you get this kind of chicken?
I prepared it myself.
You?
For you.
Oh my God.
You like it?
Honestly, not even like. I love it.
You like it, huh? Is he a man? He's not a man. Relax.
You are a witch. You bewitched me and destroyed my family. You now sleep with my gardener every day, even in my presence. God will remove back on me. God will pay you. God will pay you, Unique. God will pay you.
Pay me for what? God will pay me. God will pay me. Pay me for what? I don't blame you. Because I gave you free and easy access to my beautiful body. Stupid man. Ashawonwoke. You cannot even perform. Can you perform? Look at him. Tom, please come inside and tidy me. Okay? And don't forget to come with the chicken and the wine. Don't forget. Oh, see someone.
I will.
If you stand up from that place, I will kill you. I will kill you, Thomas. I will kill you if you stand up.
You know it will be very bad for them to charge you for murder at this age. Because I know you will rot in jail. Yes. God in heaven will bear me witness that I am doing you a great favor. Thomas, will you drink this one? Oh, sorry. Said I should pack everything. supposed to know that I am doing your job. I am, in fact, I'm taking your responsibility, which you supposed to compliment me. Do you pay me? You don't pay me, so leave me. Uni, I'm coming.
Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No joy in the heart, things fall apart. Everybody loses when the home breaks. Sorrows and heartaches. Everybody loses when the home breaks. No more happiness, only pain. Everybody loses when the home breaks.
My conscience has been tormenting me. How will I explain to God that I killed my own blood sister? Naija, please forgive me. Naija, please. I need rest of mind and inner peace. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will never ever touch a common in my life again. I promise to live a positive life, even I please. Because. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Nice apart. Please. Please don't shoot me.
Give me one good reason why I should spare your miserable life.
Please don't kill me, my son.
Shut that miserable hole on your face. You threw your children out. You threw away your own flesh and blood, including my innocent mother. You made me kill my own flesh and blood. You made me kill Ifunanya. Look at me. I was born and bred in the street. I've been through hell because of your stupidity. Do you know what it means? Do you fucking know what it means for a son to grow without his biological father? Do you know? What did we do to you? What did we do to you? It's a sin A big sin to make babies without making 100% sure that you will stand by them till the end. Only God knows. Only God knows what Chisom and Ifnanya went through after you sent our mother out. Only God knows.
But who are you?
White devil. Homebreaker. Clap for yourself. Mary! Hush! My father and mom were living happily till you rolled out from God knows where. Pit of hell. Hush! And destroyed everything. You spoiled everything. I have a message for you. Hush! Don't talk. I have one message for you. In your next miserable world, pray to God to give you your own husband and not destroying people. Sorry, you. Why? Father, why? Father, why? I killed my blood sister. I killed my blood sister. Out of your stupidity! Because I didn't think we were all together, I should have known.
I'm sure this is late Ifnanya's house.
Yes. I hope there's no problem.
Oh, no problem. She was my friend. I just came back from abroad and I was told on her she was shot to death. Are you guys her brothers?
We are friends to the younger brother, Victor.
Oh, Victor. I see. Where is Victor?
Victor went to see an uncle.
Okay. So, please, can you tell me, how did this happen?
Sister, it's a sad story. She was in the house with her younger sister at Abuja when some guys stormed the house, scattered away some valuable and money, and finally shot her to death.
Oh.
Everything is crazy.
How did you know this?
How do you mean by that? I don't get you. I've just told you all that happened. Why are you questioning me?
Sorry, it's okay. Okay. Oh, but it's too bad, too bad.
It's too bad.
Okay. I'll be on my way, okay?
That was how it happened. This life is such a mystery. She suffered so much. Yet, she didn't even enjoy not even a little time of her grace.
Okay. I've known your sister for quite a long time, Naija. It's okay, okay?
Thank you.
Just accept my sympathy. So, the guys I met yesterday, they said they're your brother's friends.
Yes, they are.
Do you know them too well? How long have they been here?
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
Well, I do not know them too well. They only came back with Victor.
Okay, my dear. Please, accept my deepest sympathy, okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Neka fasiebe, neka fasiata fofonoa. Nsobuwe jugo fisi, akuwe jugo fafa. Aturu newe gonye nche, okwa mwemwene. Onyeke kuru yolo ya noa. Mwemwene, onyeke lakatalo ha noa. Mwemwene, wafufuna kwa izenu na basasia. Onyeke lakatalo fa noa. Mwemwene, onyeke kuru yolo ya noa. Mwemwene, onyeke lakatalo ha noa. Mwemwene, wafufuna kwa.
I don't know where to start. Do I start from my wife, who did nothing to me? Or my children, who I abandoned because of my sheer wickedness? I didn't gain anything from the stupid life I led. Why I destroyed my marriage because of the good things of this world, which later turned to vanity. Only God knows. Helen, please, I beg you, forgive me. I know it might be too late, but I will try and make amends. Just find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please. 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 I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. It's all right. Chisom, you've grown into a beautiful lady. Only God knows how you were able to cope with your blindness all these years before you regained your sight. All I ask for is your forgiveness. Just find a place in your heart. Forgive me, please.
Forgiveness, you say, Papa. But you know how we suffered. After all these years, Papa. Why?
Oh, I can't explain. It's beyond me. I don't know what happened. I can't explain. See, all I ask is for you to forgive me. If it will not be too late, I'll make restitution. Just forgive me. Please, I beg you. Please. Thank you.
Victor, a son I didn't even know I had. All I am asking for is your forgiveness. Please forgive me. Please. Like I told others, just find a place in your heart and forgive me. It wasn't all my doing. I can't explain what happened. Just forgive me, okay?
I forgive you. Thank you. Thank you. Where is Ifeanyi's grave? My first blood. Oh. How can I begin to explain to you? My first blood. The one who made me a father. How can I begin to explain to you that it was I, your father, who cost you your life? I know it's too late to ask for forgiveness. Because if I were you, I will never forgive. But I will ask anyway. Please, Ifunanya, forgive me. Wherever you are, just forgive me. Forgive your broken-hearted father. I can't explain why I did what I did, but just forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure she forgives you anywhere she is. It's alright.
It's okay. Just give me some time. Some time, let me calm down.
It's okay, let's go.
Just give me some time. Calm down.
All are under arrest for the gruesome murder of Ifunanya and other criminal offenses. I will advise you keep quiet, because any word you utter will be used against you in court of law. Please, arrest them.
Everybody loses.
my friend. Move it.